In this lecture, we will initialize a new project using Frappe bench, and after that, we will install ERPNext application into that project. Let's start with initializing a new project. I am opening my installation guide. To initialize a new project or a new bench instance in Frappe framework, we can run this command bench init, then the bench name or the project name. Here I am using version 13 and which is the latest version of Frappe framework. Let's run this command in terminal. Now we can see the Frappe is cloning from Frappe's GitHub repository and we are cloning version 13. And it is automatically started all the building processes. If you go up, we can see a link to open this web application in web server. Let's open this link. Here we can see a 404 not found error. It is because we didn't create any site to run this application. So let's create a site. We can create site using this command bench new site, then give a site name. I am giving the name decodey.com. Let's copy this. We can stop this server using Ctrl C. And now the server is stopped. Let's clear this. Run the command bench new site decodey.com. This will ask MariaDB root password. Let's enter the password which we configured during the MariaDB installation. The site will create an administrator user. We have to enter a password for admin login. I am entering one password. Re-enter one more time. And now we successfully created site and database. We can start the server using the command bench start. Now the server is up. Let's wait for finishing the rebuilding process. Now rebuilding is finished. Let's go to the link and reload this page. Here we can see the login window of Frappe framework. I am not logged in right now. Let's install ERPNext into our project. We can install ERPNext using this command bench get app, then ERPNext, then specify the version. I am using version 13 and which is the latest ERPNext version. Let's copy this command. I'm closing this server. Clear this and run the command. Now we successfully installed ERPNext into our project. Let's install ERPNext into our site. So we can install ERPNext into our site using this command bench site, then the site name which is decodey.com, then using this command install app, then application name. So let's run this, clear this and run this. This will create database tables for ERPNext application. Let's start the bench using this command bench start. Let's open the web application. Now here we can see login to Frappe. Let's reload the page and now it is changed to login to ERPNext. Let's log in as administrator user. and let's enter the password which we set up during the site installation. I'm saving this password. Now we can see the success message and the login is success. Next, we need to set up a configuration wizard. I am choosing language English. Next, we need to select our region. I am selecting India because I am from India. It will also fetch the time zone and currency. Click on next. Here we need to create a first user. I am creating a system admin. I am giving a full name system admin. Let's enter a username and password for admin. Click on next. I'm saving that username and password. Here we need to select our domain. I am selecting all these domains because I am using this ERPNext application for development purpose. Click on next. Next we have to enter a company name and company abbreviation. My company is Decodi and I'm choosing abbreviation DE. Click on next. Here we need to enter the details of our organization. Here I am delivering a Frappe ERPNext course. So let's enter Frappe ERPNext. Course here and let's enter a random bank name. I am not changing anything here. Click on complete setup and it will configure everything for you. Now we can see the workspace of ERPNext application. In left side we can see different modules and domains available in ERPNext. These are the elaborated view of each module. These all are point to different doc types and reports. A search box is available in navbar and from here we can search doc types and reports. A notification icon is here and this will show the notification available to you. And in help menu you can see the documentation and user forms and about. I am opening about. This will show the important links of Frappe framework and installed application. This will shows the ERPNext and Frappe application is installed into our site and their corresponding version. ERPNext version is 13.11.1 and Frappe framework version is 13.11.0. Here we can see a user profile icon and this is used for configuring your profile. In this list, you can see a view website submenu. Let's click on the view website. This is the website provided by the ERPNext and we can customize this website using codes and doc types. We will see the customization in coming lectures. Let's close this. This is the official documentation of ERPNext and if you need any help or any doubts, you just go through this documentation. I am closing it right now. We can log out from this workspace using this logout menu. This will redirect you to the website view of ERPNext. Let's go back to the terminal and I am closing the server using Ctrl C. If you refresh right now, it will show error. Let me clear this. Now our bench is in production mode and we need to change this bench from production mode to developer mode because some of the functionalities and developer mode options are not available in production. We can set up developer mode using this command bench setconfig. Then developer mode, developer underscore mode 1. This will change the site configuration file. Let's open site configuration file. My site name is decoded.com. Then open site configuration.json file. Here we can see developer mode is enabled and we can use this bench for developing purpose. In this lecture, we will see how to create a new application in Frappe framework, and later we will see how to integrate it with ERPNext application. So let's start learning. I am opening my terminal and my terminal is ready. Then let's move to Frappe bench directory. Now I am in Frappe bench, and it is because the bench command will only run inside Frappe bench directory. So if we run any command outside this Frappe bench directory, it won't work. We can create a new application in Frappe using this command bench new app, then the application name. So here I am giving a name demo app. And press enter. Next we have to give some details of our application. The first one is app title. Here we can give the title of our application. The default title is demo app. I am not changing the title. I am just pressing enter. Next one is app description. I am adding a description. It is a demo app. Then press enter. Next we need to add a publisher. I am adding publisher is Decoded. Let's add an email for this application. Next we can add an app icon. I'm not adding any icon here. I'm just skipping this step. We can also give a color for our application, and default color is gray. I'm not changing this to. App license, I'm using default license, and the app creation is started here. Now the app creation is finished and our demo app is created successfully. We can see our application in apps directory. So let's move to app directory. And here we can see our application demo app. Let's go back to Frappe bench directory. Let's clear this. We can check the installed application in this Frappe bench using this command bench version. We can see the list of application installed in this Frappe bench, and first one is demo app, then ERPNext, then Frappe. Let's start the bench using this command bench start, and the server is up. Let's open the link. Click on login. I am login as administrator. And now we can see the Frappe workspace. Let's go to help and click on about submenu. Here we cannot see that application demo app in installed app. It is because we didn't install that application into our site. So next we will see how to install our application in our site. So let's close this, and I'm opening my terminal. I'm just stopping the server using Control C. Let's clear this. We can install our demo app into our site using this command bench install app, then the app name, which is demo underscore app. And now we successfully installed our application into our site. Let me start bench one more time. Let's open the web application and go to the profile icon. Then click on reload. This will clear the cache and refresh this page. Let's go to the help menu and click on about. And now we can see the demo app version 0.0.1 is installed in this site. Let's wind up this lecture and see you on the next one.